Good morning, class. Today we will discuss about the GCF. So there are three ways of getting the GCF or greatest common factor. So the number one is listing method. So listing method involves the process of listing all the factors of the given numbers. So for example, 10 and 20. So there are factors of 10 and 20. So the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, and 10. So the factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So there are several common factor of 10 and 20, which is 1, 2, 5, and 10. So we need to find the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor or GCF of 10 and 20 is 10. And the second is prime factorization method. Prime is a process of writing all numbers as a product of prime. For example, find the GCF of 48, 80, and 96 using prime factorization method. So, diri atong gamiton ang factor 3. So, the factor 3 was showed. So, and the result of 48, the prime factors of 48 was 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 80, the prime factors of 80 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 96, the factor of 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. So we need to find the same prime factors. The common prime factors of 48, 80, and 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So the GCF of 48, 80, and 96 is 16. And the third is continuous division method. Continuous division is also known as ladder method, means finding the greatest common factor at least multiple on two or more numbers. 10 and, for example, 10 and 20. So, the factors of 10 and 20 is may tatog number nga ma-divide sa 10 and 20, which is ang 2. So, 10 divided 2 is equals 5. And 20 divided 2 is equals 10. So, kay dili pa man siya, dako pa man siya nga number, so pwede pa siya ma-divide. So, ang number nga ma-divide sa 5 and 10 is ang 5. So, 5 divided 5 is equals to 1. And 10 divided 5 is equals to 2. So, pwede na siya. And then, ang common factor niya is naa sa side, which is ang 2 and 5. So, i-times na siya, 2 times 5. And then, the greatest common factor of the GCF is 10. And that's all. Thank you.